when the mountain road says, no more speed. This delivery is going to be a total washout. The mountain said, time for a swim. This bus just got grounded. Looks like the garbage had other plans. When you don't secure the motorbike. The Earth just had a really bad day. This flatbed just lost its flat. This ambulance is now part of the road. Looks like someone missed the roadblock. When the cargo fights back. This is why you don't speed on a cliff. The mountain said, no shortcuts for you. Looks like the mountain just got a new pool. This delivery is now airborne. A chaotic end to a peaceful ride. This is not how you clean the street. This tow truck needs a new anchor.
The mountain said, no passing zones.
The rescue truck became the roadblock.
Looks like the logs just went for a ride.
This is why you don't speed on a cliff. The most shocking way to start a day. This is not how you transport a house. The ultimate game of avoid the crushing wall. The mountain said, no heavy machinery today. This driver just had a very explosive realization. The most dramatic way to lose your lunch. This rescue just went sideways. This is why you don't speed on a wet road.
The final destination for this delivery.
This bus just got grounded. Looks like the logs just went swimming. The most chaotic chain reaction. This is why you don't speed in a downpour. The mountain swallowed the police car. The ultimate chaos rescue mission. This ambulance just got its prescription for destruction.
Most aggressive parking job ever.
When you don't secure the cargo, the mountain secures it for you.
This is a dramatic, messy finale. Mountain said, no shortcuts for you. The most spectacular engine failure ever.
This is not how you start a mountain rescue.
The police are having a very bad day.
The final explosive delivery. The mountain said, no heavy loads today.
This is why you don't see why you're. This bus just got grounded.
The most spectacular tire blowout ever. The mountain said, your road ends here.
This is a very aggressive way to take a bath. This driver just had a very explosive realization.
The police just got wrapped up in this. The ultimate game of avoid the crushing wall. The earth just swallowed the truck.
This is not how you start a mountain rescue.
The rescue truck became the patient.
The most chaotic chain reaction on a bridge.
The mountain said, no more trash today.
This is why you don't speed on a cliff. The final explosive delivery. This is not how you clean the street.
The mountain said, no passing zones.
The most aggressive way to take a corner.
The ultimate chaos rescue mission.
This is why you don't speed.
While parking ice in a downpour. The mountain said, time for a swim.
The police just lost the suspect and their car.